HiSense Roku TV Factory Reset is a great option if you're facing issues or want to erase all data and make it like new again. You can do it in two ways, through settings or using the secret menu. Here's how to do it correctly. Start from your home screen. Go to Settings, then open System. From there, go into Advanced System Settings and select Factory Reset. You'll see two options here, Reset Audio Picture Settings and Factory Reset Everything. Make sure to choose Factory Reset Everything to fully reset your TV. There's also a quicker method using your remote. Press the Home button 5 times, then fast forward 3 times, and rewind 2 times. This will open a hidden reset screen where you can select the Factory Reset option. Before you continue, keep in mind this will erase all apps, accounts, and settings on your TV and bring it back to its original out-of-the-box state. Now enter the code shown on the screen and confirm to start the factory reset. Your TV will restart, and after a few minutes, it will come back to the setup screen just like it was right out of the box. But if you can't access these two settings, you can check our quick video on factory reset without a remote for more help. That's it. Thanks for staying with Fix369.